Catch me chillin' in traffic, pushing a big body classic, a million paint changing colors, you can call it some magic.
Guys, I was doing a test drive video in this 41 Studebaker, and I had to stop by Brian's Motorsports. He has got a few things out, and I kind of want to show it off for him. Look at this Caprice. That thing looks wild. That's looking mean right there. Definitely check his page out, briansmotorsports.com. You can also check him out here on YouTube. Go and follow him, see all the stuff that he builds. He's constantly working on new ideas and making custom rides. He'll do interiors, lift kits for new trucks. He built this Escalade, put it way up in the air. I'll show you some other stuff that we got, and he's got it right around the corner.
Scared of me is probably I know you're gonna see you on the road, back streets passing on the road. I like whipping Cadillacs and phone calls, but damn old school Chevys I roll. Damn old school Chevys I roll.
Yeah, I'm sipping, I'm swerving, not even driving my lane. I got the top drop relaxing as I pull around the back. I ain't concerned about your feelings, always making my own. I'm just a Chevy man cruising, packing on a chrome. Novas and Chevelles, Monte Carlos and Impala SS. What we cruising, holding down on the throttles. We flipping, we shipping, we take a few trips. Always looking for old school, keeping them whips. Hop out the car, not showing a clip, not holding it down. It's money legit.
You probably gon' see me on the road, back streets passing on the road. I ain't whipping Cadillacs upon.
And here they built this one as well. This thing is nasty. It's huge. It's worth a look. Got one of his logos behind it too. And it means truth. You can't stop us. I'll see you later, guys. Back to the lot in the studio.
Girl, damn it, you fine, yeah. Give my Chevy rockin', girl, I'll take you out tonight, 'cause we gon' get it rockin', girl. Nobody but mine now. Get the Chevy rockin'.